house to smell nice, fresh, and natural without all of those like chemical smells. I don't know about you, but I despise the smell of like Fabuloso and all those heavy chemically fake smells. Well, today I'm going to share with you 3 different ways that you can make your house smell amazing, fresh, and natural. Plus, this is going to be budget friendly. You're not going to have to go to the store. You're not going to have to buy anything. And you probably have some of these products at your house. So if you're ready, let's go. So this first one that we're going to be doing is going to be definitely for those rooms that really smell. Like, I'm talking about the teenage boy smell. You know what I'm talking about? If you're here, you're probably like, I'm going to be using this. This can also work if you have pets as well. So all you're going to need is some baking soda, a cup, and a measuring spoon. And what we're going to do is we're just going to add the baking soda into a small bowl. And I'm just going to be adding about half a cup. And go ahead and break all that up. And so what this actually does is going to help absorb all of those odors in the room. So let's go put it somewhere. And then all you have to do is go ahead and set this in the room that smells, and it's going to naturally absorb the odors in your room. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to need 1 empty bottle and some essential oils. I'm actually going to be using this sweet orange oil. You can also use any kind of essential oils that you have on hand, like lavender, peppermint smells really good. Some people even like lemon grass, which smells pretty good. Jasmine is also one of my favorites. So any kind of essential oils that you like, it will be perfectly fine. And then we're going to take that bottle and we're just going to go ahead and fill it up. If you have a smaller water bottle, that'll work perfectly fine as well. This is just what I had on hand, so this is what I'm gonna use. And then depending on the size water bottle that you have, it's gonna depend on how many drops you're gonna put into it. I'm gonna go ahead and put about 15 drops into this big water bottle. So if you have a smaller one, just put maybe 4 or 5. And as you use it, you can adjust how many drops. If you want it to smell a little bit more, go ahead and add a few more drops. And then you can use this spray basically in any room that you want freshening up. I'm gonna start in the living room and we're gonna spray it on the couch. And so we're just gonna lightly spray it on the couch. You don't wanna drench it, we're just lightly spraying. And you can do your ottoman because feet do go there. And we're gonna go ahead and spray this as well. And if you're like me, I cook a lot, so sometimes those smells get kind of lingering in the kitchen from cooking, especially if you cook like something like fish, because I just don't like that smell. And so you can just spray it in your kitchen as well. And last but not least is one of my favorite ways to get rid of stinky smells in your house is to simply open your windows. That's gonna let new air come into your house. And if you haven't heard, that's kind of called burping. It's going to move all that stinky air, get you some fresh air in. So just opening your windows to get some air in is perfectly fine. Now, one thing that I do want to say is when you do open your windows, make sure you're opening at least 2 windows in 2 different locations, because that's what's going to help get that airflow moving. If you open one window up, it's just going to kind of stay there. So if you open one up in the front of the house, one in the back of the house, that ideally is better. And then I'm actually going to be opening up this window right here. So this is going to be my back window. And as you can see, we definitely need to clean that. And oh my gosh, I just felt everything come through. So we're getting that south wind. So this is really helping pushing all of that through to the other side of the house. I think these are great ways to get your house smelling nice and fresh and clean without all of those chemical smells. Let me know down below if those chemical smells irritate you or if it's just me. I don't know. I can't stand it. We walked into a restaurant recently and all I could do is smell Fabuloso, and I was like, we cannot eat here because it made me sick, which might be kind of crazy. I don't know. But anyways, guys, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.